What measures are other European countries introducing to deal with rising energy costs as a result of the Iran war? Well, here are 3 examples, starting with our nearest neighbour. In the UK, a support package worth €61 million has been announced for rural households, which are classed as the most exposed to rising heating oil prices, and energy bills will be capped until June. Germany, meanwhile, has passed legislation making it illegal for petrol stations to raise their prices more than once a day. Those in breach could face fines of up to €100,000. Another country of interest is Hungary, which has introduced one of the most significant interventions in Europe so far. Petrol has been capped at €1.52 a litre, while for diesel it's €1.57. So why so generous in Hungary? Well, it's worth noting that major elections are taking place there next month, and the Prime Minister there, Viktor Orban, is facing a battle to remain in power. So by introducing these measures, he may be seeking any extra support he can get.